You're watching Channel 1 and welcome to Romulo's Small Kitchen. Grow, cook and discover with us.
Greetings from my Northern Roller here. I'll be cooking, join me. A quick fish recipe. It's a Chinese steamed fish recipe. I've asked something from the chair today, what's the name of this recipe, and she said it's Xinjun Shu, or that means basically steamed fish. And I've learned this recipe at one workshop in one of the food distributors here in Eindhoven. It's easy. Come on, we'll do it. Join me. For this steamed fish recipe, of course, we need fish. This is pangasius fillet, but any fish except salmon, which is fatty, or mackerel, can serve for this purpose. It doesn't have to be a fatty kind of fish. Neutral, the best. And oil, and this special fish or seafood soya sauce. Just go to a Chinese or Oriental or Asian grocery and ask for this one. It's a special sauce for seafood. Oil, and to give it some fire, chili, 2 colors, and spring onions. And since we are steaming, I bought this for this very purpose, traditional steamer, but you can use any kind of steamer.
I've already cut the fish fillet into small bite sizes and place it on a shallow plate, and into this steamer I put a sufficient amount of water to boil. The more the better. The more steam into this kettle, and place this steamer on top, snugly on top of this kettle. And after 10 minutes, not more than that, the fish is already cooked. Drain the water that it collected from the steam, but mix it with the dish. Some patience needed here, and transfer it into a mixing bowl. Do it by batch. If you have more fish, then you might have to do that in batches. And for the meantime, boil or put some oil into a pan and boil it, or heat it until boiling, I should say. And then we can mix the fish fillet or the steamed fish with the simple ingredients. You can begin with the Kikkoman seasoned soya sauce for seafoods. 2 to 3 tablespoons of this sauce. If you want it more, let's say, heavier, if you want it tastier, you can add more. Al gusto. We can also add now the greeneries, the simple ingredients, the spring onions and the Thai chili. I cut too much of that. What should I do with the rest? Okay. I can add more, but it really depends on how spicy you want your dish to be. This should be okay. It's a bit anemic, so let's add some more soya sauce. That makes it now 3 tablespoons. Mix it thoroughly, that each piece gets coated with or coated by the soya sauce. There should be a better way of mixing this, perhaps a dipper bowl. Now it's time to add the boiling oil. It should be hot enough and it should be sizzling. You should hear a sizzle when you add it into the mixture. You should hear it. Unfortunately, I have to tone down the volume because the guests have arrived and it's noisy. It's noisy here. It's a noisy environment, I should say. Quick and easy steamed fish recipe. Chinese cuisine brought to Holland and made in Eindhoven. Thank you for joining us today. This is Romilo in Holland. If you would like to see more of gardening and home cooking videos, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon as well to get notified once a new material is available. Until next time, and thank you.